Stand by now for dispatch. Final leg of the first pick six. Gates open, they're up and racing. We have Jacqueline's Diamond draws for your lead, running by the rail. Pure Joy. Then on the outside, Henry Hill is nicking in. Down on the inside is Sa Totoo Lang. Then followed by No as they race towards the half-mile pole, with Jacqueline's Diamond a solo leader by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Pure Joy. Sa Totoo Lang is racing in third, then followed by Henry Hill. No as they round at the 600. It's still Jacqueline's Diamond in command by about 2 lengths. Running in second is Pure Joy. Sa Totoo Lang moving up on the outside second, and as they race for home, it's still Jacqueline's Diamond by about 2 lengths. Running now in second on the outside is Sa Totoo Lang fighting back. Moving up down to take second is No. It's still Jacqueline's Diamond by about 2 lengths over No in second. With 50 meters, it's Jacqueline's Diamond. Then comes No, Mr. Universe, and Sa Totoo Lang.